Ripple just received full regulatory approval from Dubai's Financial Services Authority. That single move opens the door to a $400 billion market in the United Arab Emirates. And the company is not wasting time. They're already in talks with major UAE leaders and financial figures to expand blockchain-based payments across the region. Let's break down what's happening and why it matters. Ripple's leadership team, including President Monica Long, recently attended the 2025 FinTech Summit in Dubai. While they were there, they had a high-profile meeting with Ahmed bin Saeed, the Chairman of Emirates Group. The focus? How Ripple can support the UAE's ambitions in digital payments and financial innovation. This meeting came just weeks after Ripple received a key regulatory license on March 13 from the Dubai Financial Services Authority, DFSA. This is important because Ripple is now the first crypto payments provider to be fully approved to operate in the Dubai International Financial Center, DFC. This means Ripple can now offer its enterprise-grade crypto payment services directly in one of the most financially active and ambitious markets in the Middle East. And that's no small opportunity. The UAE's market for international trade is valued at more than $400 billion, as Ripple confirmed in its official March announcement. According to XRP community member Riz, this market is not only large but also very open to blockchain innovation. In fact, Ripple has had a presence in the region since 2020, and today, about 20% of Ripple's global customers already operate in the Middle East. But the real story here is not just about location. It's about timing and alignment. According to a 2024 Ripple survey, 64% of financial leaders in the Middle East and Africa, EMEA, region believe faster settlement is the biggest advantage of blockchain. Even more impressively, 82% of them said they feel confident about integrating blockchain into their systems. So Ripple isn't just entering a market. It's stepping into a region that's already prepared to use blockchain solutions at scale. That gives Ripple a real advantage in pushing forward with its technology, including cross-border payments and real-time settlements. And speaking of real-time payments, we can't ignore Ripple's recent launch of its RLUSD stablecoin. Launched in December 2024, RLUSD was created to offer instant settlement, especially in regions where traditional banking systems are slower. As of now, RLUSD has reached a market cap of over $312 million. Compare that to $130 million back in March, and you can see the demand is growing quickly. This isn't just about offering another digital asset. It's about building practical tools that financial institutions can actually use. And in the UAE, where cross-border payments are a daily necessity, a stablecoin like RLUSD could be a game changer. Now, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. This latest approval from the DFSA is just one part of Ripple's broader regulatory strategy. The company already holds more than 60 regulatory licenses globally. This includes the Central Bank of Ireland, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, and the New York Department of Financial Services. In other words, Ripple is doing what very few crypto companies are willing or able to do. They're building a global compliance footprint, and that gives them access to traditional financial systems in a way that many competitors can't match. So what does all this mean for XRP holders and Ripple investors? It means Ripple is not just surviving in a tough regulatory environment. It's expanding strategically and doing so in places that are already open to blockchain innovation. The UAE is a perfect example. It's a country known for adopting technology quickly, investing in infrastructure, and building global partnerships. But at the same time, we have to stay critical. Just because Ripple is expanding does not automatically mean XRP's price will explode. Market adoption takes time. Regulatory changes in other countries could slow things down. And of course, Ripple still faces competition from other blockchain payment providers and traditional systems trying to catch up. Still, this moment marks an important milestone. With the DFSA license, a growing stablecoin, and institutional interest in the MEA region, Ripple is positioning itself not just as a crypto company, but as a serious player in the future of global finance. And that's a story worth watching closely. Let me know what you think. Will Ripple's expansion into the UAE boost XRP's adoption? Or is this just another regulatory headline?